Hello and welcome. In this video, we will see how to set up Stripe account for accepting payments for your business. So, first of all, we will go to stripe.com and here you can read about this product and if you will go to the pricing, you can see here Stripe doesn't charge you any platform fees or any monthly setup fees. So, and for India, the standard charge is 2% for cards issued in India. So now we will click on get started. And here you have to create your Stripe account. After creating your Stripe account, you will see here this page. So this is the test dashboard. So you have to click here and it will show that to activate your account, then you have to click here to activate your account. You have to complete all these steps to set up your account, and after your account is successfully set up, so you can start using Stripe for your business.